Climb inside the 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.